Get ready to soar into the world of affordable aerial excitement. In today's video, we're diving into the realm of drones under $250. From sleek designs to impressive features, we'll explore the best budget-friendly options that deliver big on performance without breaking the bank. All mentioned drone is links in the description. Potensic T25 Drone. Feast your eyes on the Potensic T25 Drone, a marvel of aerial technology that's redefining the drone experience without breaking the bank. With its sleek design and impressive features, this drone is a must-have for any aspiring pilot or seasoned enthusiast. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera, the Potensic T25 captures stunning aerial footage and crystal-clear photos from breathtaking heights. Its advanced GPS system ensures stable flight and precise positioning, making it a breeze to navigate even for beginners. The drone's intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Waypoint, add a new dimension of creativity to your aerial adventures. Plus, with a flight time of up to 15 minutes and a range of 300 meters, the sky's the limit with the Potensic T25. Get ready to elevate your drone game and capture unforgettable moments from a whole new perspective. Holystone HS200 FPV Drone. Meet the Holystone HS200 FPV Drone, a remarkable addition to the world of aerial photography. This sleek and agile drone boasts a plethora of features that make it a standout choice for enthusiasts and beginners alike. Equipped with a high-definition camera, this drone captures stunning footage and crisp images from breathtaking heights. Its FPV, first-person view, capability allows you to experience the thrill of flight in real time through the lens of the drone, offering an immersive and exhilarating experience. With intuitive controls and stable flight performance, piloting the HS200 is a breeze, even for those new to drone operation. Additionally, its compact and foldable design ensures easy transportability, making it the perfect companion for adventures on the go. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or indulging in adrenaline-fueled aerial maneuvers, the Holystone HS200 FPV drone is your ticket to endless aerial exploration. Force One U45W FPV Drone. The Force One U45W FPV drone emerges as your ultimate aerial companion, boasting a sleek quadcopter design packed with features to elevate your flying experience. Its HD camera effortlessly captures stunning aerial footage and crystal-clear photos, while the FPV capability immerses you in a whole new perspective, directly from your smartphone. With convenient one-touch takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and headless mode, piloting this drone becomes intuitive and enjoyable for flyers of all skill levels. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a perfect choice for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or capturing unforgettable moments from above, the Force One U45W FPV drone promises endless aerial excitement. Holystone GPS Drone. Behold the Holystone GPS Drone, a remarkable addition to the realm of affordable aerial exploration. This cutting-edge quadcopter is designed to elevate your flying experience with its advanced features and reliable performance. Equipped with GPS technology, this drone offers precise and stable flight control, allowing you to navigate with confidence and capture stunning aerial footage with ease. The built-in HD camera ensures high-quality images and videos, while the FPV capability lets you experience the thrill of flight in real time through your smartphone. With features like intelligent flight modes, altitude hold, and one-key return, piloting this drone is intuitive and user-friendly, making it suitable for pilots of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer, the Holystone GPS drone promises to deliver endless excitement and unforgettable aerial adventures. DRC D10 Drone. Say hello to the DRC D10 Drone, a versatile and high-performance aerial companion that's ready to take your flying adventures to new heights. This sleek and modern quadcopter boasts an array of impressive features designed to deliver an exceptional user experience. Equipped with a high-definition camera, the DRC D10 drone captures stunning aerial footage and crystal-clear photos with ease, allowing you to preserve your most memorable moments from a unique perspective. With its intuitive controls and stable flight performance, piloting this drone is a breeze, making it suitable for pilots of all skill levels. Plus, its compact and durable design ensures long-lasting performance, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or navigating through challenging environments. Whether you're a beginner looking to hone your piloting skills or an experienced flyer seeking thrills, the DRC D10 drone is sure to impress with its versatility and reliability. FactJank Brushless Motor Drone. a remarkable addition to the world of affordable aerial exploration. This sleek quadcopter is designed to elevate your flying experience with its advanced features and reliable performance. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this drone delivers impressive speed and agility, allowing you to navigate through the skies with ease. The high-definition camera captures stunning aerial footage and crystal-clear photos, ensuring that you never miss a moment of your adventures. With features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and headless mode, piloting this drone is intuitive and user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and experienced flyers alike. Plus, its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, so you can enjoy countless hours of flying fun. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or capturing breathtaking aerial views, the Fakjank brushless motor drone is sure to impress with its versatility and reliability. Chuburi X10 GPS Drone, a cutting-edge aerial companion designed to enhance your flying experience. With its sleek design and advanced features, this quadcopter is perfect for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Equipped with a high-definition camera, the Chuburi X10 captures stunning aerial footage and crystal-clear photos, allowing you to document your adventures with ease. The built-in GPS module provides precise positioning and navigation, ensuring stable flight performance even in challenging conditions. With features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and automatic return home, piloting this drone is intuitive and hassle-free. Plus, its durable construction and brushless motors ensure long-lasting performance, so you can enjoy countless hours of flying fun. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or capturing breathtaking aerial views, the X10 GPS drone is sure to impress with its versatility and reliability. Sanrock HD FPV Drone, a revolutionary device that brings aerial exploration to new heights. This sleek quadcopter is designed with both beginners and seasoned pilots in mind, offering an array of features to enhance your flying experience. Equipped with a high-definition camera, the Sanrock drone captures stunning aerial footage and crisp photos, allowing you to document your adventures with precision and clarity. Its FPV capability provides a real-time view of the drone's perspective, immersing you in the thrill of flight like never before. With intuitive controls and stable flight performance, piloting this drone is a breeze, even for novices. Additionally, its durable construction ensures longevity and reliability, making it the perfect choice for endless aerial adventures. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or simply capturing scenic views from above, this HD FPV drone promises an exhilarating and unforgettable flying experience. DRC D60 Drone. The DRC D60 Drone, a game-changer in the realm of affordable aerial exploration. This sleek and compact quadcopter packs a punch with its impressive features, making it an ideal choice for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. With its high-definition camera, the DRC D60 captures stunning aerial footage and crystal-clear photos, allowing you to document your adventures with precision and clarity. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or navigating through tight spaces indoors, this drone delivers exceptional performance every time. Its foldable design makes it convenient to carry and transport, while its intuitive controls ensure a smooth and enjoyable flying experience. Plus, with features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and headless mode, piloting this drone is a breeze, even for newcomers. Get ready to embark on thrilling aerial adventures with the D60 drone by your side. NMY N300 GPS Drones, a remarkable addition to the world of affordable aerial exploration. This sleek quadcopter is designed to elevate your flying experience with its advanced features and reliable performance. Equipped with a high-definition camera, the NMY N300 captures stunning aerial footage and crystal-clear photos, allowing you to document your adventures with precision and clarity. Its GPS capability provides precise positioning and navigation, ensuring stable flight performance even in challenging conditions. With features like altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and automatic return home, piloting this drone is intuitive and hassle-free. Plus, its durable construction and brushless motors ensure long-lasting performance, so you can enjoy countless hours of flying fun. Whether you're exploring the great outdoors or capturing breathtaking aerial views, the NMY N300 GPS drone promises an exhilarating and unforgettable flying experience. Thanks for watching.